Now I want to talk real quick because I know this is going to come up. There's a difference between electrical, like physical wavelengths, and electrically and tuned differences. So, like for instance, a true quarter wavelength for the frequency that we work is 108 inches, but we can use 102-inch whips and tune the feed line. There's different ways that we can still get. Like, doesn't mean that the antenna has to be 108 inches. Uh, the vertical radiator. There's ways of still achieving that wavelength in the network of the tune of the way the antenna is designed. So whenever people say, "Oh, that's a quarter wavelength antenna," the antenna doesn't have to be 108 inches or 102 inches every time. And you understand what I'm saying? It can be a coil or some type of network that, remember, series inductance with capacitance is how we tune for frequency. So you can have a coil in the antenna network that is going to make up for the height, or a capacitance network. You have an antenna that is a physical length, but then we have a capacitance hat that makes it electrically longer. So make sure that you understand that. It's like you'll hear me talk a lot about stuff and say, "Oh, 102 inches quarter wavelength." 108 inches is a physical true quarter wavelength for our spectrum, but y'all understand what I'm trying to say. The inductance, series capacitance, all that. The tuning network of the antenna is what can physically control where the antenna is operating at. Like an Antron 99, an Antron 99, half wavelength dipole, quarter wave over half wave, whatever y'all want to say, but it's 18 foot long, 18 foot, but it's a half wave. You understand what I'm saying? So the network of the antenna uh, is what distributes the operation zone in which it works. Uh, I use 180 inches because the choice of length and the type of coax that I want to use. I like 108 inches of vertical radiator, a true physical quarter wavelength for the band, but you can work something much shorter. You understand what I'm saying, and still cover that range. 7 threes.